Hello, check.
Hello everyone, our theme is Be Unstoppable and we are sponsoring Horidin. Are you all ready? Pick yourself up. Be बढ़ते चलो, आगे बढ़ो मत रुको, मिलेगी नई नई कहानी तुमको। हेनरी, हेनरी, be unstoppable, be unstoppable. Keep rising, keep the spirit rising. Keep rising to the sun. Keep rising, keep rising. Keep rising to the sun. This is how we do it. This is what we do. Dancing and moving, make you wanna move like the groove. Make you wanna move like the groove. Emo maniacs and culinary clashes, dishes with a snack and emo maniacs. शौक से आओगे यहाँ, मुस्कुरा के रखूंगा। शौक से आओगे यहाँ, मुस्कुरा के रखूंगा। कितने निकालिए, मौज मस्ती मजे किए। This is how we do it. This is what we do. Dancing and moving, make you wanna move like the moon. Make you wanna move like the moon. Make you wanna move like the moon.
What I'm trying to say is that when you're performing as a band on the stage, you're a cohesive unit, and I'm sure हर किसी के अंदर का artist जो होता है वो बोलता है मुझे देखो, तो I'm sure all artists have this thing of narcissism inside them, you know, coded, which says look at me. But when you're a band, when you are performing as a unit, I would say just keep in mind that you sound cohesive, you sound together. That was the only thing that I maybe missed. And yeah, good job guys, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Ash. Come on, everybody.
Okay, I don't know if you guys have heard this. This is one of the classics, and I think this was the first song that I played on the guitar ever. like in 2012. I picked up the guitar in 2010 actually. 2010, 2012 में I was studying in Manipal University, and we had a lot of fun times going around, and this was the first song that I basically played on the guitar, and it made some.
Crazy. Let's hear it for Kashif Parekh. Crazy, crazy.
Yeah, so it's just.
That Tashi, why not we go for that Salona Sajan? That's, I guess, this is one reason.
I don't know if they would appreciate that.
I think
you would appreciate that.
I think they will agree to the point, because that's the reel जिसमें बड़े-बड़े celebrities ने भी text किया है Tashi को on the Instagram. So I think you should go for it. You guys will love it.
सलोना सा सजन है Can you turn up the guitars? Thank you. सलोना सा सजन है और सलोना सा सजन है और जिया और मैं सलोना सा सजन है और मैं तुम्हारे प्रेम की छाया सजन तुम्हारे प्रेम की छाया सजन बड़ी ठंडी अगन है और मैं सलोना सा सजन
नीचे होके जाएंगे
उसका रहा अब है तेरा इस रात से इस रात से उसका रहा अब है तेरा इस रात से. Sing it with me if you know it. Oh lady child, oh baby child, oh baby child. तेरे प्यार बैठे हैं खो बैठे तुम कहते हो कि ऐसे प्यार को भूल जाओ भूल जाओ मेरे प्यार सारा. अरे बहुत शुक्रिया यार मैं बस मस्ती कर रहा हूँ. थैंक यू.
क्या बात है यार, जोरदार तालियां. आई थिंक आपकी सिंगिंग में हम सारा अलग भूल गए थे. थैंक यू सो मच ताशी.
Stay there. Audience, when
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor. On the night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take a long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I've got no way of knowing what tomorrow's gonna bring me. Not gonna worry. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming Life got a good buzz going. I'm never, ever, never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming
अब तो सुनो हमारी बात, मत छोड़ो ऐसे हमारा साथ.
स्टूडेंट्स की सुनते ही नहीं मांगे पूरी करते नहीं जिनपे भरोसा वो सारे चुन रहे इन्हीं पे करती के पहले कहते थे ना कि कुछ ऐसा है कि These are the days of life. What times of the These shows the ये बातें जो वक्त भूलेंगी
आओ थोड़ा शिष्टाचार बंद करो ये भ्रष्टाचार Our theme code is 82 and our topic is Choose Joy. We are sponsoring Yamaha. Of course not.
आज ਅਸੀਂ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਹਰ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਮਚਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਸਪਨਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੇ ਛਾ जावांगे आज हम आग जलाएंगे हर दिल में जोश जगाएंगे आज हम आग जलाएंगे हर दिल में जोश जगाएंगे People eat, come here babe, eat something to keep you sane. Now that everyone comes to keep you safe and you keep you safe. Come now, are you ready for this?
और लमाट वाला
भाग जाऊं
You are now fighting north, focus on what you want.
भाग रहा जीत के रहूंगा
Press that control of this life, man. Heavens now!
control the life
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 Sing with me! Heavens now! Heavens now!
control the life
Heavens now! Heavens now!
control the life
Heavens now! Heavens now! Control your life! Heavens now! Control your life, man! That's all you need!
You find ways to fall apart when you push comes to shove. I'm the Lord of the morning lights, the love that rains, the days are coming down the face. Every step down, every face, the shady face and grace. Every humble, every stumble's a tough place to be. Don't back up, don't slow down, don't break up. Don't break up, don't slow down, don't let your spirits down. Go show up, go show up, don't get afraid. Do every day, don't back up. Don't slow down, don't let your spirits down. Well, would you guys like to hear a story? अगर आप लोग yes नहीं बोलेंगे मैं सुना नहीं पाऊंगा यार. Are you guys willing to hear a story?
I heard a no. Who said a no? Well, okay, we're gonna start.
उधर से नहीं आया था.
Alright, I need you to participate in this. I need you to clap with me, alright?
चलते चलते जा रहा था, थोड़ा मुस्कुरा रहा था, दिल मेरी बोल रहा ना 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 ना.
चलते चलते जा रहा था, थोड़ा मुस्कुरा रहा था, जूते मेरे घिस गए थे, फिर भी चलता जा रहा था.
हुए जूतों से मेरे पैर में पड़ गए ब्लिस्टर. फिर मैंने रोते रोते किया कॉल टू माय सिस्टर.
सिस्टर मेरी पैसे वाली, आने वाली थी दिवाली, मांगे मैंने उससे जूते, मेरी सिस्टर मुझसे रूठे. सिस्टर मेरी पैसे वाली, आने वाली थी दिवाली, मैंने उससे मांगे जूते, मेरी सिस्टर मुझसे रूठे. एयर जॉर्डन है मांगा मैंने किया उस पे वार, मेरी सिस्टर मुझसे बोली जीना दुश्वार.
मेरी सिस्टर से जूते मंगा लिए, लेकिन डिब्बा खोल के किस्मत मेरी फूटे.
अरे ऐसा क्यों भाई?
वो थे क्योंकि वो थे
एयर जॉर्डन नहीं, एयर जोरदार, 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 एयर जॉर्डन नहीं, एयर जोरदार. मात्र 400 रुपए में एयर जॉर्डन आपके नजदीकी स्टोर्स में.
They say life comes full circle. 4 years ago, Entente was where my journey at La Martiniere truly began. And today, as I stand here saying goodbye, I realize that everything I have become, the leader, the friend, the person I am, is because this one event believed in a 14-year-old girl before she believed in herself. 4 years ago, in 2023, Mahi, Advika and Kiram asked me to be part of Entente. They transformed me from just another night girl into what everyone lovingly called the star kid of Entente. In 2024, I realized just how much I looked forward to these 3 days every year. They weren't just an event anymore. They became the 3 days where I found 3 of my greatest blessings the school has given me. My best friends, Sanchita, Suhani, and Sachi, who have never left my side. Then came 2025, the year I realized that standing exactly where I am standing today was all that I had ever wanted. And now here we are in 2026. In just a few moments, it will all have passed in a blink of an eye. I will no longer be Anton's star kid, and these 3 days that I have held so close to my heart will belong to someone else. And I truly hope they do even greater justice to them than I ever have. That is the belief with which I leave behind something I have poured my heart and soul into. I leave it in the hands of my juniors who have reminded me the finest quality of being a Martinian, standing together. Watching them has reminded me exactly why I fell in love with Entente in the first place. Finally, to every teacher, every estate manager, and every member of our support staff who stayed back with us long after school hours arrived, before sunrise, and worked tirelessly to turn our ideas into a reality, thank you. I will forever be indebted to you. As I step away, I don't leave with sadness, but with gratitude. Because if there is one thing Entente has taught me, it is that while people move on, the tradition never does. It simply finds new hands, new hearts, and new dreamers to carry it forward. To end it all, I'd just like to say, Entente, you're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't want to go home right now. Thank you.
सबको दिखाता हूँ कैसे लेती है महंगाई एक गरीब की जान।
शर्मा जी, अरे ओ शर्मा जी, डॉक्टर के पास जाने का समय आ गया है शर्मा जी। शर्मा जी हमारे चले अस्पताल, चेक बताओ उनकी बड़ा बुरा हाल। आनंद नगर में नया मेहमान, सुन शर्मा हुआ परेशान। अरे शर्मा जी मुबारक हो, बेटा हुआ है। और ये रहा आपका बिल। ये अस्पताल वाले बच्चों की डिलीवरी करते हैं, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। इतना पैसा तो मैंने आज तक देखा भी नहीं है जितना इन्होंने मेरा बिल काट दिया। शर्मा जी हमारे बड़े परेशान, मन में था उनके एक ही समाधान। बोले कि मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर बनेगा, लंबा बिल को ऐसे भरेगा, न गरीब रहेगा न महंगाई से डरेगा, न गरीब रहेगा न महंगाई से डरेगा। शर्मा जी का बेटा डॉक्टर बनेगा। शर्मा जी ने सोच तो लिया था कि अपने बेटे को डॉक्टर बनाएंगे, बट लिटिल डिड ही नो सपने सच्चे नहीं हुए। जब MBBS में एडमिशन कराने गए तो उनसे मांगे गए 2 करोड़ रुपए। 2 करोड़? और वो भी फीस नहीं, सिर्फ डोनेशन। महंगाई के चलते शर्मा जी का बेटा डॉक्टर तो छोड़ो, कंपाउंडर भी नहीं बन पाया। तो आइए मिलवाती हूँ आपको शर्मा जी के बेटे से। जब तक रहेगा समोसे में आलू, तेरा रहूंगा ओ मेरी शालू।
तेरा रहूंगा ओ मेरी शालू।
अरे और सच में शाहरुख खान, समोसा तो छोड़ दे, आलू खरीदने के लिए पैसे हैं तुम्हारे पास? पता है महंगाई कहाँ पहुँच गई है? आलू ले लो।
अरे कहाँ पहुँच गई है जानवर, हमें ही बताओ, हम भी वहीं चल लेंगे।
आज लगना बेटी साइकिल के डंडे पे, आज लगना बेटी साइकिल के डंडे पे। वो चलो चलो रे घुमा दूं हीरो होंडे पे, वो चलो चलो रे घुमा दूं हीरो होंडे पे। तुम ना बस यही बकवास करते हैं ना। अब मेरे पापा करा देंगे मेरी शादी किसी अमीर डॉक्टर से जो 17 करोड़ की शादी करवाएगा। 17 करोड़? हाँ, और मैं सिया नहीं हूँ, शालू, उसके जगह तुम्हें ही खाई में गिरा दूंगी।
अरे यार कैसी बातें करती हो, ये अमीरी गरीबी महंगाई ये सब तो आती जाती रहती है।
अच्छा वेरी नाइस, मैं भी जा रही हूँ, शक्ल में दिखाना।
अरे रुक जा। आलू ले लो भाई साहब, मैं कह रहा था आलू ले लो। अरे बता भाई कितने के आलू, आज खरीद दूंगा सारे के सारे।
तो ये था मेरा दोस्त राजू, जिसे लगता था पैसा कमाना क्या ही है। दिल टूटने के बाद इसने सोचा तेरा के मेरा प्यार मेरा इंतकाम देखेगी, और खोली चाय की दुकान। अब आप ये मत सोचिएगा ये पीएम बन जाएगा, वो तो एक ही काफी है। पर इस गरीब की तो चाय की टपरी में भी ताला पड़ गया, क्योंकि सिलेंडर के दाम इसकी औकात के बाहर हो गए थे। और अब ये कुछ इस तरह पैसे कमाता है। ओए ओए क्या सीन है, तेरी वोट में चाल है, मेरी चाय की टपरी बंद हुई, महंगाई की मार है। मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड छोड़ गई, मेरे दिल को तोड़ गई, वो हाल में हार गया, महंगाई और एलपीजी सिलेंडर के बढ़ते दामों ने आम आदमी को इस सिचुएशन में डाल दिया है कि वो कोई भी काम और कैसा भी समझौता करने को मजबूर हो गया है। और ये महंगाई हमारे निजी रिश्तों में किस तरह दरार ला रही है, आइए आपको दिखाती हूँ। Me and my darling were flying in a plane. Me and my darling were flying in a plane. My wallet catches fire, we fall inside the train. कैसे बड़ी, कैसे बड़ी, कैसे बड़ी हो भैया, कैसे बड़ी महंगाई भैया इतनी, कैसे बड़ी महंगाई भैया इतनी, कैसे बड़ी। क्या बेबी क्यों चिड़चिड़ कर रही हो, इतनी अच्छी तो तुम रहे मुझे, तुम इसे चिट कहते हो। बिजनेस क्लास की फ्लाइट की जगह तो मुझे ट्रेन के चलने डिब्बे में ले गए, 5 स्टार होटल की जगह तो मुझे धर्मशाला ले गए, गोवा की जगह तो मुझे गांव ले गए, और शॉपिंग की तो छोड़ ही दो। तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आता है क्या, महंगाई इतनी बढ़ती जा रही है, हमें राशन पानी बच्चों का खर्चा ये सब में घुमाओ, तुम बस बहाने में आते रहो, तुम एक नंबर की लूजर हो, ज्यादा बोलते हैं। अभी एक मिनट में तेरा खेल खत्म करता हूँ। अरे बीवी चलाई ले, पेट्रोल से पिया, अरे बीवी चलाई ले, पेट्रोल से पिया, लेकिन पेट्रोल के बड़े दाम है।
नमस्कार रेडियो सज्जनों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे प्राइम टाइम शो महंगाई की जीत में। और जैसा कि आपने अभी देखा, पेट्रोल के बढ़ते दाम ने बचाई एक बेटी, बहू और बीवी की जान। हाँ जी, आज एक पति अपनी बीवी को पेट्रोल से जला के मार नहीं वाला था, लेकिन उसके बढ़ते हुए दाम देखकर वो ऐसा नहीं कर पाया। तो हाँ, जब महंगाई करते रहते ना, ये महंगाई नहीं है, ये है वेलफेयर स्कीम।
वेलफेयर स्कीम वो कैसे?
अरे वो ऐसे कि जब पेट्रोल महंगा होएगा तो खरीदोगे नहीं, और जब खरीदोगे नहीं तो जलाओगे कैसे, यानी बचत ही बचत।
चलिए आपकी बात मान ली कि ये वेलफेयर स्कीम है, लेकिन ये महंगे हेल्थ केयर और जो अस्पताल इतने महंगे होते जा रहे हैं, इसमें आपकी सरकार की भला कौन सी वेलफेयर स्कीम चली है?
अरे इसमें भी सरकार का प्लान है। देखो, जब इलाज महंगा होएगा तो गरीब सोच समझ के खाए पिएगा और बीमार नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि प्रिवेंशन इज।
ये मीडिया वाले तो कुछ भी बोलते हैं, 4 पैसा फेंक के मारो तो कैंसर जैसी बीमारी के भी फायदे गिनवा देंगे।
अरे आप हमें इतना नीच, गलीज और गिरा हुआ समझती हैं कि हम कुछ चंद रुपए के लिए। हाँ जी दोस्तों, आज की बड़ी खबर, कैंसर के भी बहुत सारे फायदे। सबसे पहला फायदा कीमोथेरेपी में आप लोगे गंजे, इसका मतलब है नो हेयर। तो नो हेयर केयर की टेंशन, कोई शैम्पू नहीं, कोई ऑयल नहीं, तो इससे बढ़िया बचत ही बचत। महंगाई में इससे बढ़िया क्या ही हो सकता है।
भी है, इंग्लिश में बोले तो लायर भी है, सच को छुपाना, झूठे दिखाना, सच को छुपाना, झूठे दिखाना, यही उसूल। बातों पे अपने ये टिकते नहीं, 2 रुपए में बिकते सभी। मीडिया ओ मीडिया, मीडिया ओ मीडिया, मीडिया ओ मीडिया, मीडिया। आम आदमी हुआ लाचार, 1 2 3 4 रिश्तों में बड़ी दरार, ना बंगला ना मोटर कार, महंगाई की जिम्मेदार, 5 6 7 8 सरकार नहीं है आपके साथ, चीजों के बढ़े प्राइस, लेट्स गो ऑन हंगर स्ट्राइक।
पहले समय बदलता था, लेकिन आज इंसान ही बदल गया है, और ये इंसान के बदलने का कारण कोई युद्ध या महामारी नहीं है, ये एक ऐसा अदृश्य राक्षस है जिसका नाम है महंगाई।
महंगाई सिर्फ बढ़ती कीमतों का नाम नहीं है, महंगाई उस माँ की आंखों का डर है जो बाजार से सिर्फ आधी सूची लेकर लौटती है।
ये उस पिता के टूटे इरादे हैं जो अपने बच्चों से कहता तो है कि अगले महीने दिला दूंगा, पर वो अगला महीना कभी आता नहीं है।
एक तरफ ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्हें बढ़ती कीमतों का एहसास तक नहीं है, और दूसरी तरफ वे लोग हैं जो हर बढ़ती कीमत के साथ अपना एक सपना पूरा।
अरे महंगाई की महामारी ने हमारा बच्चा बिगाड़ दिया।
चले हटाने गरीबी गरीबों को हटा दिया वो शरबत की तरह देश को शरबत की तरह देश को करता है फटाफट आम आदमी की जेब हो गई है सपाचट आम आदमी की जेब हो गई है सपाचट
अरे बिरला हो या टाटा अंबानी हो या बाटा
सबने अपने टक्कर में देश को है काटा हमरे ही खून से इनका हमरे ही खून से इनका इंजन चले धकाधक आम आदमी की जेब हो गई है सपाचट आम आदमी की जेब हो गई है सपाचट
How lucky we are to have something that makes saying goodbye so hard. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the closing ceremony for Onton 2026. I don't think there could have been a more fitting way to begin today than with those words. 3 days ago, this auditorium was filled with excitement, anticipation, and endless possibilities. Today, it is filled with even more precious stories, friendships, laughter, and memories that I know we will all carry long after we leave this campus. When I stood here at the opening ceremony, I spoke about Mono no Avere. Over the last 3 days, I think every one of us has lived that feeling. Somewhere between rushing from one venue to another, celebrating victories, comforting teammates after defeats, taking hundreds of photographs, and laughing until our voices disappeared, these 3 days quietly became unforgettable. There is something beautifully fitting about this being the 14th edition of Entente. For most of us, La Martiniere has been our home for 14 years. In those same 14 years, Entente has grown alongside us. More than just an annual event, it has become a tradition woven into our journey, built by generations of Martinians, with each edition leaving something behind for the next to carry forward. In just some time, we will recognize the remarkable achievements of many talented individuals gathered here today. So whether your name is called today or not, I hope you leave this ceremony proud. Not just of what you achieve, but of the fact that you chose to participate, to challenge yourself, and to become part of the story that is Entente 2026. Because as Walt Disney said, the difference between winning and losing is most often not quitting. Every successful event has someone who quietly believes in it long before everyone else does. For me, that person is our principal, Mrs. A. Das. Ma'am, your faith in us has been our greatest motivation, and for that we will always be grateful. Before I conclude, it is important for me to thank every teacher who gave their time and unwavering support to make this event a success. A very special thank you to Mrs. Masi, Mrs. R. Kapoor, and Mrs. Pooja Kapoor, whom I had the privilege of working with so closely over the past few months. On behalf of everyone at La Martiniere Girls College, it has been an absolute privilege to host all of you over the past 3 days. Every organizing committee member and every prefect put their best foot forward to ensure that you leave with memories you'll cherish long after this edition of Entente. For that unwavering dedication, I am truly grateful. This evening, we not only celebrate excellence but also perseverance, and above all, we celebrate every individual who made this Entente unforgettable. Thank you. It is now my distinct privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest for this evening, Mr. Namit Das. A distinguished actor, singer, and theatre artist, Mr. Namit Das has built an inspiring career through his passion and dedication. From the stage to the screen, he has consistently captivated audiences with performances that are both authentic and memorable. Over the years, he has appeared in acclaimed films and series such as Wake Up Sid, Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani, Arya, The Suitable Boy, and Sumit Sambhal Lega, earning appreciation for his ability to bring every character to life with sincerity and grace. His work reflects not only exceptional talent but also a deep commitment to his craft. Beyond acting, Mr. Das is also an accomplished musician, proving that creativity knows no boundaries. His journey is a powerful reminder that excellence is achieved through perseverance, passion, and the courage to embrace every single opportunity. As we celebrate talent, innovation, and youthful spirit at Entente 2026, it is truly an honor to have you with us here, sir. His presence makes this occasion even more special, and we are delighted to welcome it to our school. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm and heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Namit Das. Every inspiring journey deserves to be celebrated. Let us take a moment to look back at some of his milestones of his remarkable career through a short video.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. For the past 6 months, my life has basically been calling people, texting people, following up with people, following up on the follow-ups, and hearing "we let you know" about 17 times, and then celebrating like we won the World Cup once a sponsor finally said yes. Contrary to popular belief, the finance department does not have unlimited money glitch. If Entente had a heartbeat, it would have been the finance spreadsheet. And trust me, it skipped quite a few beats. At various points during this year, our approach to budgeting bore a striking resemblance to what the internet affectionately calls girl math. The theory that money saved is equal to money earned, and that saving in one place somehow makes spending in another feel completely justified. We'd like to say we rose above that. Trust me, we did. As a kid, you believe that magic exists, and then as you grow up, the world convinces you it does not. That everything has logic, everything has an explanation. There were days I wanted actual magic to happen, the kind where problems disappear and sponsors appear, and then a few tough days and you stop believing in magic. I have fought tooth and nail to unlearn all of that and to safely remind myself that magic will always find those who seek it. And today I realize something has changed, because today when I look around, it's all already real. With that, I, Shivika Arora, the Head of Financial Affairs for Entente 2026, officially signing off. I would now like to invite Navya Arora to take over the proceedings.
Good evening, everyone. There's a saying that goes, money talks, but only the right finance team makes sure it says the right things. And honestly, that's exactly what Entente's finance team did. Being the finance head has been a roller coaster of budgets, sponsors, spreadsheets, and me saying, guys, don't worry, we'll get it done. Even when I started half the work at the 11th hour, somehow last minute became my time zone. And thankfully, the numbers always balanced. Behind every sponsor call, every invoice, and every deadline was a team that never stopped believing we'd pull it off. A heartfelt thank you to Mrs. Das for trusting me with this responsibility and believing in me even during the most chaotic moments. Your faith in me gave me the confidence to lead. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to my teacher coordinators, Mrs. Masi, Mrs. Shukla, Mrs. Kapoor, and Mrs. Pooja Mishra for believing in me, encouraging me, and standing by me every step of the way. Your guidance and support made this journey truly meaningful. They say behind every successful event is a great team. However, I'd like to add, behind every successful event is a stress finance team, a calculator, a little bit of panic, and a lot of heart. Thank you, Entente, for the memories, the cures, and for proving that even under pressure, we can always make the math. Thank you. I would now like to invite Mrs. A. Harkoli, our club head for the Paracosm, on stage.
Love is a habit. I heard this line in yet another movie, and it has stuck with me like anything. And because Lamartine Girls College is indeed the place that I love, the place that has become a habit and a home for me. I will be forever grateful for the opportunities it has given me over the years, like taking part in high-stake competitions like Diya decoration and egg painting in class 3, only to prepare me to plan and host wonderful events like Entente itself. This school has taught me how to maintain balance in life, to find the good in everyone, and among other things, to be grateful. So I would like to take this moment and express my gratitude to all who've had my back throughout these remarkable 17 years of my life. Firstly, our esteemed Lady Principal, Mrs. Das, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. To my incredibly patient teachers, my extremely perseverant juniors, my loving family, or my friends, or as I call them, my lifelines, I thank each and every one of you because without you, I wouldn't be who I am today. As we stand here today, at the closing ceremony for Entente 2026, I am torn between the comfort of the past, the thrill of the present, and the bittersweet excitement of the future. All I hope is that every person who attended Entente carries a part of it in their heart forever, because I know I will. Thank you, Viv Lamatne. I would now like to call upon Elizabeth Walser.
Good evening, everyone. They say that every successful event is built not only on hard work and dedication, but also on the generosity of those who believe in our vision. Today, we at Lamatne Girls College extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed sponsors. Your unwavering support, generosity, and confidence has been instrumental in making this event possible. Thank you for partnering with us, for believing in our mission, and for helping us turn an idea into a memorable reality. Audience, please join me in giving our sponsors a very well-deserved round of applause. Thank you so much, sponsors. May I please request our sponsors to come up on stage. We have from Sanyo Hospital, Mr. Prateek Kumar. Sir, are you here? May I please call upon stage Mr. Gaurav from Amrita University. May we please have a round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. May I please request Mr. Kapil Kumar Srivastav from K10 Advertising and Marketing to please come up on stage. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. May I please call Ms. Priyanka Singh from Momentum to accept the token of gratitude. Thank you, ma'am. May I please request Mr. Anubhav Singh from SI UK to come up on stage. Thank you, sir. Thank you. May I request Ms. Manisha Sinha from DAP Hub to please come up on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. May I request Ms. Sneha Charan from Top Knot Salon to please come up on stage. Thank you, ma'am. Our next sponsor is VS Motors, and the representative present here is Mr. Prem Bajpai. Sir, may I please request you to come up on stage?
हमें नहीं पता हमें नहीं पता
Could we have a round of applause for our sponsors, please? All the comfort that we have derived through the event is because of our sponsors. Thank you so much, sir. May I request Mr. Gyanendra Singh from SRS Cinema to please come up on stage. May I request Mr. Rohan Mehta from Lajo Daycare to please come up on stage to receive the token of gratitude. Sir is not here with us at the moment. All right. May I please call Mr. Mayank to come up on stage and receive the token of gratitude. Is sir also not here with us? All right. May I please request Dr. Sadia Shahan, who's a life coach, to please come up on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. Our next sponsor was Venetian Garden, represented by Mr. Makbool Qureshi. Sir, could I please request you to come up on stage? Could we have a huge round of applause for Sir as well? Thank you, sir. May I request Ms. Meetu Batra and Mr. Aditya from Clack Possible to please come up and receive their token. May we please have a huge round of applause for them. Amongst us, we also have Mr. Vivek Tripathi from Credella. Sir, if you're here, can we please request you to come up on stage?
Good evening, everyone. If Onconth was a movie, the admin team would be the backstage crew making sure the show never stopped. We may not have always been on stage, but we were the ones answering endless questions, solving problems before anyone noticed them, and somehow making everything look like it was all going according to the plan. Being the administration head was an experience filled with moments I never expected. It was more than just the responsibilities that came with the role. It was about learning, adapting, and being a part of something bigger than myself. Looking back, every challenge became a part of what made this experience so meaningful. To Mrs. Das, I'll always be grateful for the faith you placed in me and for trusting me with this responsibility. Looking back, Onconth has been so much more than just an event or a responsibility. It has been the late nights, the unexpected challenges, the small wins, and the people who made everything memorable. And through it all, I always had my parents quietly cheering on me, making this journey a little easier than it would have been otherwise. Having them by my side truly means the most to me. And with that, here's to Onconth and to everyone who made it what it is. Thank you to each one. I would now like to call on stage Nitya Bhatt.
Can you hear me? Are we all awake? Or have we slept? First of all, let's make some noise and know that, we are awake. Let's just make some noise, yeah. This is the closing ceremony, so please, yeah. I did not prepare a speech, and because I really wanted to keep it very short and mainly from the heart. And I'm just that kind of a person. I'm just that kind of an artist. First of all, let me take this opportunity to thank everyone here. My heart is right now filled with gratitude. Coming here to Lucknow, a place which I love, and time and again, the last 5 or 6 years I've been coming here regularly because there's just so much shooting that happens here. There's so much employment for actors at this point of time in Lucknow. So coming to Lucknow is really special. And then obviously a huge round of applause for your principal, Mrs. Das. We share a surname. Who has been kind enough to fly me all the way from Bombay, come here, and I've been taken care of, and thank you so much for that, If it wouldn't have been for that conversation that I had with Ms. Mishra 2 years back in a festival called Repertoire, I wouldn't have been here. And she's someone who's really enthusiastic, and she really thinks for the children. And I must say that I had just Repertoire, by the way, is this lovely festival which happens in Lucknow, and I'm sure there's a version which is going to happen this year as well. Please go and see it. It's something which I propagate even in Bombay. I had just finished my performance. I came off stage. I was all heavy with that energy, and she just comes up to me and she says that, you know what, you need to come to our school, La Matmia, and just meet all the students. So a huge round of applause to Miss Mishra. And we tried to do this. We can be louder, come on, there's some more energy in this room. Come on. If it wouldn't have been for that small conversation, we tried it, for 2 years we were looking at it. But somehow, वो जैसे कहते हैं ना कि जब जो चीज़ होनी होती है वो तभी होती है. मैं आपका ज़्यादा वक्त ज़ाया नहीं करूँगा. मैं सिर्फ 2 चीज़ें एक्चुअली आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. जब मैं छोटा था, आपके जितना था, और मुझे छोटा कहना नहीं चाहिए एक्चुअली, बिकॉज दैट्स वेरी कॉन्डिसेंडिंग, बिकॉज आप लोगों की जो जनरेशन है वो बहुत स्मार्ट है और बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त है. और मैं आप सब लोगों को जब भी देखता हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं अपने आप को इतना अदना और मैं इतना छोटा पाता हूँ उस टाइम पे, क्योंकि मैं जब 10 या 11 या 12 साल का था, ना तो मेरी इतनी बड़ी सोच थी, ना मुझे दुनिया के बारे में इतना कुछ पता था. मुझे सिर्फ अपने बारे में पता था. लेकिन आप लोगों के पास जरिए इतने सारे हैं, लेकिन I won't say कि ये सिर्फ जरियों की वजह से हो रहा है. It's also, I think, the power of so much that is around you, which can be confusing sometimes, but it gives you all a lot of power for sure. So the first thing that I want to say is that when I was young and when I was in school, I did not, understand the importance of being in an educational institution. But when I look back and I see myself now, I realize that whatever I am is because of my teachers. All the teachers, जिन्होंने भी छोटे, the teachers literally construct us. We are a jigsaw puzzle, जो बिल्कुल टूटे पड़े हुए हैं. अलग-अलग pieces हमारे जो है ना, they are really literally flying off everywhere. And teachers literally bring all these pieces together and the puzzle is finally created, And looking back at that, I'm so thankful to all the teachers, and I'm very sure that you're going to come out of this institution which has so much history. I don't need to go over that. 20 years down the lane, you are going to look at this and you're going to thank all your teachers for whatever they did for you. So let's not wait for 20 years. Right now, at this moment, this institution and its teachers and all the teachers who are around in the world who are forming a thought process, who are forming generations of people to come. A huge round of applause for them, please. It's a very, very tough job to be a teacher. Always balancing sides, always creating situations where everyone can flourish. एक पेड़ होता है ना, वो अगर ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया जाए तो वो जंगली बन जाता है बिल्कुल. You have to hone it, you have to make it beautiful, and that's a teacher's job. It's a difficult job. दूसरी बात मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूँगा कि हमारे जितने भी टीचर्स होते हैं वो they give us tools which sometimes in life we forget, and we are going to forget, because life outside this institution, let me tell you, is tough. It is very, very tough. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be these tools that you're going to take from your teachers, which is going to help you live life. So that's why there are many people who come to me, and in my case, people come up to me and say कि भाई हम एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, अब हम एक्टर कैसे बन सकते हैं, हम मीडिया में किस तरह से घुस सकते हैं, हम एंटरटेनमेंट में जो है किस तरह से जा सकते हैं. मैं इस एग्जाम्पल को जो है ना और बड़ा करना चाहूँगा, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट if someone asks me today, is talent bigger or discipline bigger? I would say discipline. Is talent bigger or persistence bigger? I would say persistence is bigger. Talent is just that instinct which can be honed, but discipline and persistence and all the tools which our teachers actually teach us, they have to be lived by. So on that note, I wish you all luck. I wish you all the love in this world, all the blessings, and I really hope, and I pray to God that you all do very well in life. Each one of you, trust me, every one of you is special. Have a great evening, guys. I'm here. We can have more conversations personally, and have a great evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, everyone. It is a bit difficult for me to gather words for what I'm feeling right now. All I can think about is the little girl 9 years ago in class 3, walking onto her first entente to participate in the inter-school Hindi duet competition. She was probably standing on a stage like this for the very first time, with no idea that she was beginning a journey that would become such a big part of her life. Everything that I have done since then, every performance, every rehearsal, every initiative, I think I have done it for that girl. And I hope wherever that little girl exists in me, she's proud of the person standing here today. For the last 9 years, Entente has somehow found its way back into my life. As a participant, as a band member, and this year as one of the organizers. I grew up listening to my seniors stand on this stage and speak about what Entente meant to them, and I had never imagined that one day I'd be here giving my own farewell to it. I still remember starting a countdown almost 200 days ago, that's right, laughing because it felt so far away. Then it became 100 days, then 50, then 1, and now somehow it's over. Maybe that's the hardest part. Not that the countdown reached 0, but that something that I have looked forward to every single year will now just become a memory. Thank you, Entente, for giving that little class 3 girl a stage, a voice. Thank you for growing up with me. Thank you for becoming such a beautiful part of my childhood, and for giving me a place that I will always be proud to call my story. Thank you. There are a few other people that I would like to thank. First of all, Mrs. Das. Thank you so much for everything. I know that for the past few months we have been burdening you with so much Entente work, but ma'am, thank you so much. Mrs. R. Kapoor, Mrs. A. Masi, our coordinators, ma'am, thank you so much for being our guiding light. We could not have done this without you, ma'am. We could not have done this without you. And a special thank you to a very special teacher, I think for all of us, Miss Mishra. The decoration that you see all throughout the campus is her vision, and I think that deserves a round of applause. Thank you so much, Miss Mishra. We all are crying backstage. With that, thank you, Entente. Thank you, Lamartine. Now we begin with the prize distribution ceremony for Entente 2026. I would like to invite our chief guest, Mr. Namit Das, along with the club heads to distribute the prizes. Thank you, and good luck, participants.
Next up, we have Culinary Clash. In third place, we have Lamartine Girls College. Maisha Malhotra and Hannah. In second place for Culinary Clash, Bishop School Camp, Pune. Soumya Sampat and Arna Sukhandar. In first place, we have City Montessori School, Station Road, Alia Haseem and Irina Siddiqui. Next up, we have Brandstorm. In third place, we have City Montessori School, Kanpur Road, Sanji Yadav and Swastik Tiwari. In second place, we have Lamartine Girls College, Shafia Shamsi and Shambhavi Daksh.
मैंने थोड़ा मुझे पता है इसलिए मैंने वो किया मैंने प्राउड हो गया I appreciated it.
In first place, we have Bishop School Camp, Pune, Nazreen Lokhandwala, Nasreen Limbiwala, Sachi Thadani and Bala Subramaniam Raman. Congratulations to all the students. I would now like to call upon Naira.
मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा मुझे पता है मैं अप्रिशिएट कर रही हूँ मेरा नहीं हो रहा मेरी
Could Bishop School Camp Pune please come for Brandstorm first place? I ask Shivika Arora to come and take over the proceedings.
Nukkad Natak, the third position goes to City International School, Lucknow, Bankhuri, Harjis Fazal, Yuvraj Singh, Aryan Khatwat, Shashwat Upadhyay and Vaibhavi Upadhyay. Participants, can you please rise on stage? The second position goes to Barnes School, Pune, Sharvil, Swastik, Sanskriti Deshmukh, Aditya, Ranveer Deshmukh, Ayanshi Yadav. The first place goes to SR International, Varanshi, Mridul, Shiv, Arnav Pandey. Now I would like to invite Riza Fatima to carry on the proceedings from here.
Good evening, everyone. I, Rida Fatima, the Science Club Prefect, will now announce the results for Scientific. Firstly, we have Neurofrenzy. In the third place, we have W.H. Smith Memorial, Varanasi, represented by Divyanshi Pandey and Anvita Singh. In the second place, we have Lamatnia Girls College, represented by Navneet and Aditri Gupta. And the first place goes to City Montessori School, Aliganj, represented by Alamkriti Yadav and Adya Khare. Next, we have tonnage. For Neurofrenzy, the first place goes to City Montessori School, Aliganj, represented by Alankriti Yadav and Adya Khare. We have the second place for Neurofrenzy taken by Lamatnia Girls College, represented by Navneet Jaiswal and Aditri Gupta. Next up, we have tonnage. The third place goes to St. Francis School, represented by Rudra Yadav and Smita Raj. And the first place goes to St. Teresa's Day School, represented by Iftikhar Raza and Atif Masih. Now I will call upon Mahi Agarwal, my co-prefect, to continue with the further announcements.
Good evening, everyone. The next competition is SciMap. The third place goes to Modern Academy, represented by Saransh Jhunjhunwala and Navya Tiwari.
The next competition is Dazzle. The third place goes to St. Teresa's Day School, represented by Arika Gupta. For the first place, there is a tie between Modern Academy, represented by Anshika Singh, and City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar Extension, represented by Rashi Singh Verma.
Good The next competition. The next competition is Figurative Fiesta, and the winners are as follows. For the third position, we have Yagya Negi and Shrestha Hardia of Delhi Public School, Shahidpur. The second position for Tales Unbound has been awarded to I repeat, the second position for Tales Unbound has been awarded to Nitara Dharamjeet of Christ Church, Lucknow. The first position has been bagged by Zoya Khan of Loreto Convent Intermediate College. I now hand over the proceedings to Medhavni Rastogi, Prefect of Cybers. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I, Medhavni Rastogi, Prefect of Cyrus Club, am delighted to announce the prize winners of Entente 2026. We will begin with Iconic. The third prize goes to Krityam Singh, Krishna Pandey, Delhi Public School, Shahidpur.
is one what Archana ma'am would say, and I'd say, look at the band.
And finally, for Animalia Artistry Model Making Competition, the third position goes to Aprajita Pandey and Aradhya Chandaliya from W.H. Smith, Varanasi. The moment we all have been waiting for, the first prize goes to St. Francis School, representing Soham Mirza, Akshat Pandey, Mirza Mavia Bey. Thank you.
Has been secured by Akash Kanaja and Kanishk Malhotra representing Modern Academy. Moving on to our next competition, NASCAR Level A. The third
is Lamartine College, Abu Hussain Siddiqui and Faz Ali Khan. Second is Lamartine Girls College, Anandita Lydia Henry. CMS Aliganj, Araf Khanna, Ananya Kapoor, Shreyasi Talukdar. Now I'll be announcing for jingles. The first place is LMC, Lamartine College. We have Tanish Kevlani, Faz Ali Khan, Aditya Badhani. Second is Bishop Cotton Pune. We have Jason Vas, Arush Shelke and Abigail Fernandez. And at the third place we have Lamartine Girls College, Nabiha Now I'll call Kopil Mishra, the Prefect of Law Spectives, to take the proceedings. Thank you everyone.
Good evening, everyone. I, Gopal Mishra, Prefect of Law Spective, the legal. Second place is awarded to St. Agnes School, represented by Taranpreet Kaur and Dania Amir Khan. Participants to please run up on stage.
Greetings everyone. I'll be announcing the results of Sherlock Syndrome, which was organized by the prefect body. The winning school for Sherlock Syndrome 2026 is City Montessori School, Cambridge, represented by
Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us this evening. I think this has been your longest distribution of medals. Thank you so much for doing it so kindly and so much from your heart. It was very evident. Thank you. To all the children here, thank you for making Onton 2026 a beautiful dream that has come true. A lot of planning, a lot of hard work has gone into it. But it wouldn't be possible if we didn't have your participation. Entente began years ago with just 3 competitions. There were just 3 clubs. Over the years, it has grown, it has bloomed. This year, we have had 36 schools participate, 42 competitions over the last 3 days, and 11 clubs have come together. It is not an easy task. So can we please hear it for all these wonderful girls and the incredible staff who give so much of their time to ensure that there is a platform for every single child, not just of La Martiniere girls, not just of this city, but of this nation to come together. I say it often and I repeat myself that education in India is indeed a privilege. And each one of you who represents your school represents the very best the nation has. Carry this responsibility forward with care, with diligence, with knowing that you speak for the many million who have not had this great privilege. It is but your duty to do this. You have learned from competitions such as this that winning is not everything, that hearing each other out, respecting each other's views, being there for each other, problem solving I hope you take back a lot from these 3 days, because that is what Entente 2026 was all about. For you to learn, take back memories, and understand the responsibility each one of you carries. To all the staff accompanying the 36 teams, thank you. Thank you for being here with us at La Martiniere Girls College. Thank you for giving of your time. We have not met with the many staff who have trained the teams and these children. When you'll all return to your schools, say a big thank you to your teachers who have trained you to be able to come to events like this. Thank your parents for allowing you to participate in events like this. And understand how privileged you are to be part of events like this. And don't forget these things, children. These are friendships you've made. But there is a larger learning to all of this. I shall not take much of your time. There are, however, a few people I need to thank before I announce the last and final awards of this evening. Our support staff works tirelessly, as you've heard many of our girls speak about them. They also work extremely silently. But I thought today was a lovely day for all of you to please stand and give them a standing ovation, because I'm sure they do this job in every single school. Our support staff will be cleaning venue after venue to ensure that you have had a wonderful time at La Martiniere Girls College. Families of their own, they give of their time and in your own schools. But we at La Martiniere are extremely blessed to have such happy support staff who stay with us night and day to ensure the campus is as beautiful as it does. Thank you, thank you. It's a dream of mine to see that there is a chance for every single girl to not just know she has a stage, but a place where she can hone skills that will be life lessons. And so everything here at La Martiniere is run by our students and supported by the amazing staff. May I please ask for the organizing committee of Entente 2026 to run up on stage. These are the girls who have given up their time, who listen to their teachers shout at them, miss lessons, have parents grumble about how much the school will do, have parents say that we don't allow them to study. They hear it all and then they come back to us day after day and thank you girls for all the work that you do. Thank you very, very much. May I ask the media and the tech team girls to also run up or fill up in the pit. These are the girls who have been in every room, covering every event, and long after many of you have gone to bed, they are sorting through thousands of photographs and putting us up where the entire world comes to know what La Martiniere Girls is doing. To stand, I don't know if they are here. Sir, please come up. If any of the other estate managers are here, please come up. Come ma'am. Turn up, turn up. In a school of 3,000 ladies and a staff of 150 ladies, the men are most sought after. Mr. Kadar is torn between the many ladies here, answering calls I'm sure his wife is not happy about. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Ishrita is our own girl who's back and working with us, and we are so thankful to all our staff. To the club prefects, I will not call you up on stage, we are running out of time. Thank you, girls, you've done an amazing job. Thank you very much. May I ask the staff of all the clubs to please stand wherever you are. Ms. Shukla, Mrs. Sinha, Ms. Motihar, Mrs. S. Pandey, Mrs. Ratna Joseph, Ms. Lal. Ladies, please stand up. Mrs. Kumar, Mrs. S. Rustogi, Mrs. Limbu, Ms. P. Mishra, Mrs. R. Chatterjee, Ms. Arcoli. Please stand up, ladies. And if we could especially hear it for the two ladies who kept it all together, Mrs. A. Masi and Mrs. Ranju Kapoor. Thank you all so very much. Thank you. To every other member of staff, you have all been on duty. Thank you for everything you do. La Martiniere definitely shines a little brighter because of the love you pour into our girls. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, all teams, for being with us, all staff of all schools here. Thank you very, very much. There are 3 girls who have worked under great pressure. May I ask for them to please run up on stage. Our head girl, Alaisa, our vice head girl, Nitya, and I think our super girl, Vidushi. Truly, truly amazing to work with girls as committed as these. It is an honor and a privilege. So thank you, girls. Thank you for everything. Vidushi and Nitya left home with a team of girls and were living on campus. That is their love for La Martiniere. I'm not so sure their parents love us as much, because I'm sure they think the girls belong more to Mrs. Das than to their own homes, but I am proud to have them as my own. So thank you. Thank you, guys. For the final 2 awards, the Sherlock Syndrome, introduced this year, it has been won by, any guesses? No guesses, all right. CMS Cambridge, Gomti Nagar Extension. Please run up. Sir, can we please ask you to come up to give the last 2 prizes? A little more. I'm so glad. Thank you, sir. And the overall trophy for Entente 2026 goes to La Martiniere College. We can clap a little louder. I think the entire team of La Martiniere can come up on stage. Run up, boys. boys. Thank you. Thank you once again, everyone, for being here. We'll see you for tea downstairs. Thank you.